Tumeweza kupata watoto ambao wako katika hali mbaya sana, wanahitaji vitabu, maji, nguo, na tumefanya tunaweza kuwasaidia. Tunaomba mashirika mengine yakuje tusaidie, watuunge mkono kwa sababu jamii ndio ulea watoto, na tunaomba tuungane si watu tusaidie watoto.
Our biggest drive and objective have been to improve literacy and access to clean water, which has been a big challenge in most of the communities, considering the drought that has been currently occurring in Kenya. So currently we're here helping the kids. It came to our understanding that kids are having a hard time studying in class because most of them come from really poor backgrounds, especially in the public schools. So we are here helping the kids. As we donate books, we're also donating food and also giving them some financial assistance.